Not Liberty Higher Secondary School Jowai haka khatlai tere ujemmang arja arpusan kas dang ka jinglek kemandap arpusan Snem ka Jingïaid Lynti ban syakri lengba ka jingnang jing start jongka para kani ka sengi kalapan ko buram ru ye samla pule jongka ki badang sedap pas ya ka examen SSLC but HSSLC ka balatip kum ka 14th felicitation ceremony arja arpusan Lawan man sakhi lang ha kani ka sengi daw sumbut menteri rangba ka sarkar jilla uba snyau balang dhar kumu kongsan uba wailat miki Shillong MLA ka Jowai constituency kumu sumbut kongsan ringkat ka jadon lang ka DSEO kong APSM udolai ka ilaka Jowai uba poramon kenjeng kikimi ki pa jong ki khna ki ba shakhot ngobha bat ki we Principal jangan ke sekolah ubat Richard Yuria abai thu ke Jingïaid Lynti ke sekolah nadu Snem arjar hadu menta open pau ke jingkmen namar wat la uhammat ya sibun ki Jingïaid ke Jingïaid Lynti ru da ke jingyo jingkersan pat na ki babun balang kumju ki miki pa jong ki khana sekolah ke sekolah kala nang ki nang roi na ki Snem shaki Snem Ulai thuru badai haus Snem arjar khat ar ke sekolah kala sedang banyo rong ha ke top 10 list jong ke result SSLC embos da ka bayo ya ke kerdan ka Khathynriew but nadu teu Snem hadu ke ka khlemat menta barok ki bayo top ha ke result embos ki la don Khathynriew Ngut
So I decided to start the school in the year 2000. My parents were out of the country. I put the advertisement out that a new school was opening here in Meghalaya. The school started, and there's a long story on how it started. I will leave that story for the next program. So if you want to hear that, do watch the live streaming that we'll be giving in the next program. That story is left for the next program. However, when the school started, on the very first day, we had 28 students, nursery, KG and class 1. After 20 minutes, I ran home and called my mother. I was the headmaster then of that school, not Lynti, which was started on the 1st of March 2000. I ran and told, Mommy, you have to come quickly to the school. She said, why? It's a mess. Everyone is crying. You know, nursery and KG children, how they cry? I thought, what the heck? What am I doing? Mom, I can't. Please help me. The very next day, my mother took over as the headmistress. And I worked along with my mother. And I was very privileged that she was there. And in fact, the foundations of our preschool have been set, the standards have been set by my mother. And then I was also privileged to get a scholarship to do my Masters in Educational Technology in Johnson University, which is in Tennessee, United States of America. So I was very happy that I could continue my studies and finish my M.Ed. And after returning from there, being the topper of the university in my class, I came back to India. I was offered a job after I graduated, but I decided that I'll come to India. And I came to India, and shortly after that, I took over from my mother, and I am here today as a principal of Not Liberty. But there is one person I can't forget. I don't know whether he's here or not, but we have invited him. The only person who was by my side who believed that this school would happen. And I'll tell you, there is something about places. There's a person by the name of Khathynriew. He was with me when my parents were not in this country, and he encouraged me to start the school along. And he was the first person to issue forms for Not Liberty. And I'll tell you, for 2-3 months we waited, nobody came to take a form. And I started to doubt myself. But it was on one fine day that one person, I'll tell about that person in the next program, came to take the first form. And Khathynriew came running to the house because I had given up. I was sleeping at home. I had given up, and he said, Parishad, I remember one form. It was the first form. And that person who came asked me, the bone ki form that AP? I didn't have any answer. I said, come tehima. That's what I told him. And I gave the first form and the second form to both his children. But the connection of numbers. The student who took the first form His name was John Min Polong. He's not here today. But the very same student was the first student to get into the top 20 list of Not Liberty in the 16th position in the year 2012. Can we give him a big round of applause? He couldn't come here today because he's working in the secretariat and they have a meeting today, so he couldn't come, but he'll be there in the next meeting. Numbers are always a confirming hand for Not Liberty. Till date, at the opening ceremony of Not Liberty Higher Secondary School, we also have 16 students. Remember, 16th position was the first one we got, and till date today, we also have already got 16 position holders in the top 20 list of MBO's SSLC exam.
Uba wailat meki shilla haba yoroi ke Jingïaid Lynti jong ke school ulaong ke Jingïaid topa ba nyos nam lenter ke school kamdei ke bakai nalor ba tang bakapau ha kapuli puthi henry ha ke Jingïaid kai sports pat kiwei.
No doubt, coming up in the top 10 or top 20, many schools have done that. It is an undeniable fact. Many schools have done that. But what is difficult is to be consistent. And Not Liberty to be on the top 20 for 7 consecutive years. It's not a small achievement. I think they deserve a round of applause. Everyone, please. And not only in academic, but we have seen even in other co-curricular activities, in sports. In the last 2 years, I went to see the closing of the inter-school athletic meets. I could hear other teacher and principal whispering, because we have seen that every event it's won by the Not Liberty. Even some schools start to think, even it seems that Not Liberty have some understanding with sports department. But I'll tell you, it's not that. It is the effort. It is the hard work. It is the leadership. Under the leadership of Atiar. I really like to congratulate them. And I think Civil Jubilee is the time to reflect on the past, especially to the people who have contributed to this school to what it is now. I stand here today to wish the Not Liberty Higher Secondary Schools that they will continue the good work which I am fully confident under the leadership of Atiar. And it is an example for other schools, especially in today's time, where education has become a business. It's very sad to see that there are many private schools who have made business out of this. But this is an example today that if you put a cost in front, business will come. Business will flourish, which Atiar has shown from his testimony, that how from the beginning, where we find difficult to enroll students for admission, but now I feel it's difficult for them to even accept, because the kind of people coming to enroll their students.
Ubasnya balang dhar uloang kari ke school kadai ke bapen sngo sarong yaki kom kinong mikmat lingba ki result ki babha boleh ro ru yo principal jong ke school halor ke jing start jing champang jo u ban kentiu ya ke jing nang jing start.
The sound to you now, my lad, them come with the company program to Kun Kuritam. Kum to you or the Kwa Edikwa, have a still at the district level. Pensiang seorang kini keskuri ada kata penjong ini kami nomi khmat yang dikamta. Umang poy berkali kini keskuru mi di konkendu student ni buat khmat atau hak result. Yino ang kini keskuru daman atau menstep ni keberans. Kukit burong yang ay tiang pinta orang ay tahu kan education sector. Ni kan gawin kisni ko sa nam daya ipun buram arna sandali kisnem galai. What they kanau ma yuria ni kau train ni keskuro the beauty kidingan tiyo to sa movie. Paya hatu ipor wai ni keskuro tang inform dan taman was taklong kanau buram inform bian ni no. Udah kau ni dah uyuh jangan. Tidak kostat kim jongi no at all. Always the word yes is always in front. That it means encouragement in the future. Keburung kung hidup ini kibagi parti yang mangi veterans leader itu kepor beliau jangan you boy accept the monument yang kena district. Hati porjom kena company kita itu. Mencuada orang jobon dipilih mang baik mang pat jo ong mang dadap da biang jo ang bubu de hali di kelangka. Coach na da yung de sem. Bocak terter ki jo jangai ko hai ko hai kini ki baik pa ko stop tam yo jangai ko bito ro mot ko yedu muling wara kam ko district wara wi wong iki. Ngaken mo patai po yang ngadang khian kamo mawai la ki siat. Born with dropout student they buy level dunani opportunities. Ubulai jubu hi pertama jubu kamu kuai. Ngaju yo hoite. Kalau mana mau berubah ba. Engi kon ko start ku ang Kyrwoh school tang memlak ke bagi pak pernah school. Tujuh dia apa? Handai eman sem ikon mahajon ku ang lar pernah school tang mangi botlon ku swimming mangi beli dunani. Handai lembaga yang satu tong biang idam ibai parakan di komiti. Sang surang mau ni belum rumah ni musa ni. Keburung bukur pangi kausin kuman di Joint Director Education. Nado wawan gani kam education officer Jingïaid Hilsiogi. Jingïaid district bound typical movie that always is the best result. Man nagas Snem. Ini mudah ni congah kabinet retreat sila sora yang cip mistari. Jowai ini pas state, norok di school bang state. Wajah dia semua bebas. Dia kini yang kita kiko besar ni. Mi berarti kau sini. Sang sorong mau hati kau ngalu mana kan lain. Sanjay dia. Nei bakat kamu mangkat ni. Istak yang kamu kamu yang berkelapi. Ni mana cipta atau celebration kali opening ceremony silver jubilee ngaku awang kajak dan lagi student buraman demoralize sering saya kajak ni bawa you was some token ni was some moment tu yang was start ko kitopan na handai awang ini do top sound yang berhenti. Everyone has got a chance always. Cepang student kajak kuat panai kaporong. Kenita umat topar henni isiman is just the beginning of your life. It's not the ending. Please remember. Tenai dah talk, dang start, dang minor, dang yok, dang betong. Your man the future di dalam state yang. Ngasal tu pusing ngamu tu lai skor. Ngamu sui dah kurang mumi amre itu orang. Hanya kamu nulai ublai bu boleh kerja ke kapasiti. Boleh kerja ke direction yang one boleh bertanya. Tahu kata dalam lemah orang tu himpur ada, ubah ya, upendep itu upendep. Lain ya, mau ya topar, kamu ya pi. Tanya sahangai senang ngamal topar, tidak mau cas. Bukan ada yang lagi koron, yang lagi businessman, teman corporate, big corporate. Jangan kalau orang yang sekolah, apa big student yang TPO penuh kita besar. And in rumah cilok, The jar kat sang to din bai. Ki distinction wala bai. Tu yo to question man exam do usdan. Kalau tahu perlu ke open subject ke usdan. Tahu pas lah yang belum sak kelas tu. Belum sak kelas tu. Open subject tahu pasti. Terhad tu ke college level. Tu kalau tu naik pura langsung college. Memulai lagi. Tapi disambung dengan mulai segi BE, civil engineering, dan mulai komputer software, terbaru sangat tu pun brilliant student. Bersambung lagi jauh ke sektor, ulah ke arts. UG ada some passion. Hati orang yang perlu kendur, tahu man wonder orang baik, tahu di cawo kan kendur ben kalau kita main baik. Kau beli penjam sekitar kita jadi kita tahu kena obetnya, isyarat. Jauh menunggu dong. Kau beli penjam ini, kau hamar bisa kerja ni. Mana soal ini soal yang mau layan lebar tiga tahu perlu kelam perlu subjek tahu pas. One day, aku pergi school. Mungkin kita bertanya lain sekarang pasan di Snem. You man kamu man, cewek kau kamu. And the wee company called Kyrwoh. Big corporate orang di gelap terus tuan. Hati kor. Jangan orang di sana di veteran was start lie to you have to do exam. But it's a private corporate. Then pas ile pensang with the top post as CEO post something yang director. Hari kalau sign appointment apa ni kita, dah tahu open subject, he is the boss for that company. Mana boleh bertuju orang besar, we need their approval before finalizing things. Mana boleh bertuju sanggup di kilo untuk milik seorang tangi cuma mau tak udah baik. But they are here to know he is the boss for that company. Kita tak life. Untuk how do you implement? Murid tahu begitu ya tu part of bright portion. Orang ini ambil kejauh missions, ambil kejauh target, tu ambil kejauh vision. Apply the movie kamu pergi with different direction, not with the same direction. Study on Canva, betul kan kiri. Mencuba untuk big pa, panolai school dictionary mesti. Mereka apa dah lagi? Kami bukan lagi mulai hayau tu kerja berajar. Functionally, utuh raju kit ku video puluk sau ke smartphone ben sau ke Samsung sau ke Apple. Betul kalau itu apa? Restart dulu mana? Kami kan start pada cuan dah. Tu proof itu kenapa? Itu kenapa?
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata Khathynriew atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la ai kan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.